Yeah, this is why I went to Harvard Law, so I could drink Tabasco on camera. By the way, good job getting some in my nose. Um, okay. Any IP lawyer can talk about trademarks, but only a few can do it with a face full of Tabasco. Let's see if I'm one of them. We're going to go for a full shot glass, which is about 30 milliliters. So, freshly opened, no cheating here. Not quite sure how I got myself talked into doing this, but here we go. This is going to be fun. I don't think so. I'm already sweating. This is great. We're going to explain what a trademark is, why it's important, and how it differs from other forms of IP while drinking Tabasco. I know, I'm feeling stupid already, but here we go. Yeah, this is why I went to Harvard Law, so I could drink Tabasco on camera. Okay, we're going to be beeping some stuff out, because motherfucker, goddamn. Okay. That's spicy. As a drink, very spicy. I'm going to try to do this without crying. Wish me luck. So let's talk about trademarks. Trademark is really a source identifier. It's something like a word, a logo, a slogan, or even a sound. It can even be a color in some cases that helps consumers recognize the origin of goods or services. The idea is that if I go and let's take a look at Tabasco. We'll find the registered mark right next to where it says Tabasco. Ta-da! It's R with the circle you can only use in the US if you have an actual registered mark. So when I bought this, I knew it was going to be Tabasco and not just some dude's off-brand imitation because registered trademark. So it's really a consumer protection statute. Now, speaking of not protecting consumers, let's have another half an ounce. Swirling around does make it more effective. So, trademarks are all about brand identity. Wow. For example, when you think of the Nike swoosh, you know the product's from Nike. If you're at a store and you see the swoosh, you're not going to have to worry that it's some knockoff. And most border agencies will stop knockoffs at the border. And you can't import knockoffs legally anyhow. You can't legally make them. But that's for registered marks. If it's not a registered mark, states have trademark statutes that might apply. Let's go with the full US shot. I think I'm ready. Another 15 milliliters. Think about the McDonald's Golden Arches. When you see those are instantly recognizable. In Coming to America, the original movie, McDougal's with Golden Arches, that was a trademark problem, and they even showed it a little bit with some dude hanging around taking pictures on behalf of McDonald's. So the key is that a trademark has to be distinctive. One more shot, swish it around. By the way, good job getting some in my nose. Okay. The key is that a trademark has to be distinctive. It can't just describe the product. It has to help consumers distinguish your product from someone else's. It also can't be descriptive. So if I wanted to sell my own genetically modified brand of enormous mushrooms, I could trademark Mount Everest mushrooms, but I can't trademark really big mushrooms because that's just purely descriptive. Oh boy. Speaking of descriptive, wow. That's my best description for doing shots at Tabasco. What do you think? Let's do one more. 2 ounces. See, I'm sweating. That's okay. By the way, if you go to a lawyer and you're paying them by the hour and they're swigging hot sauce, go to a different lawyer. You should not be paying for them to sweat in their suit. All right. So we're going to talk about how trademarks are different from copyrights and patents just as soon as I further poison myself with Tabasco. All right. Here we go. Oh, man, it's going to be fun in the morning. Unlike patents, which protect inventions, and copyrights, which protect creative works, trademarks protect brand indicators. You might register them to prevent competitors from using a consumer... Okay, tripping over my own words. You might want to register them to prevent competitors from using a confusingly similar mark that might trick or fool consumers or even just mislead them. That's the other thing that's interesting, because trademarks can be a creative work, but it's not like writing a book. It's not like, inventing a new way to reduce carbon dioxide pollution. Oh my God, this is so spicy. So it's a tiny bit creative, but it's really intended to protect consumers and not to protect the creativity of the author. If you have a great design that you trademark, it can also be subject to copyright. And even if it's implemented in a specific way, even a design patent, but trademarks are to protect consumers. So trademarks, how long do they last? They last as long as you use them and renew them, and they can last potentially forever. So if you're building a brand, a trademark is crucial. And oh my God, I think I'm going to go get like a bowl of ice cream and eat it. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing pepper sauce and patents. We're going to be doing, I can't even remember what we're going to be doing, but I had a lot of cool things that alliterate, and we're going to be covering a lot of basic IP concepts in a way that you would hope to never pay your lawyer to do. So, thank you for sweating through this with me. I'm going to go hit the ice cream now. We'll catch you next time. It's been Innovation Cafe, and oh my God, what did I do? Remember, you're more awesome than Tabasco, like for sure. Okay, that's enough. That was like a third of a bottle of Tabasco. What was I thinking?